So this is a room tour of room 24803 at the Delano. So this is a queen suite. I had a king suite booked, but they didn't have any available strip views. So as you walk in on the left, you've got a toilet. You've got a nice toilet there. And then as you walk in, this is the main room. As you walk in, you've got like a mini bar kind of set up with coffee and that. All chargeable obviously to your room. And then obviously the do not touch or else they'll charge you a fortune fridge. And reading up there as well, it says if you want, you can have a fridge, which I'm guessing this one that's locked, but they'll charge you $50. So I'll probably leave that alone. So this is the lounge area with chair and table, big Samsung TV. If I turn the lights off, and just to show you this, all I can say is absolutely wow. You might get a slight reflection, but that's going to be one of the best views in Vegas. And I was absolutely shocked when I seen it. It was like, what a brilliant view. So now I'll turn the lights back on, obviously because it's pitch black. But I just thought I'd do this. I thought I'd do this room review at night just because of that view. So excuse the cases in here. What's wrong way? I zoomed the wrong way. So we got, like I say, we got a queen. Due to the fact that, like I said, they had no queens, no kings, sorry, with a strip view. So nice, massive Samsung TV. And this is what I like. You open up the wardrobes and they've got lights in. If only I could have something like that at home. Because the amount of times I can't see what's in the wardrobe properly is unbelievable. So an ironing board in there, plus complimentary robes. And like I say, going down to the next wardrobe, another wardrobe down here. Again with the light that turns on. Printing hangers, safe, and drawer space. And then just going into the bathroom. Massive mirror with twin sinks. Absolutely really deep bath. And as you can see, Steph's actually currently running herself a bath. And behind the door here, it's a nice walk-in shower. And then you've got your additional bathroom here, which is just a toilet in there. If you can see, basically just a toilet. You can see, oh, there's a remote here, I don't know. And this remote here, because lo and behold, in the bathroom, you've got a Samsung TV. So everyone else, there's a hairdryer there as well, on the middle shelf. And then, if I turn this light off, you're going to see this view. Just from the other, a bit from the other side. Might be a bit of glare on this one. But look at that for a view. Cannot be it. So like I said, this is a queen room. This is totally complimentary, 4 nights. Cannot whinge at all. So no resort fees, no fees at all. 4 nights,